What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Chris with another video here. Today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I put a resonator delete and lowering springs on my 2020 Ford Mustang GT. I almost stuttered on 2020. I'm like, wait. The process went really smoothly. The springs, the rear springs were a little difficult to do, but we managed to get past it and everything. And I filmed a little bit of it on my iPhone. My good friend of mine, Cruz, he has a 5.0 Mustang as well. Him and his dad helped me install the lowering springs and the resonators. And overall, it went pretty smooth. The job took us about 4 hours to do, and we got it done. So this is gonna be a little short video for you guys, but if you guys are curious on how to do it, this isn't really more of like a how-to. It's more of like a, this is the process and this is what we did. I didn't really film that much of it, so don't get too stoked of it. Just kind of the process of it and to capture the memories and everything. Let me know what you guys think of this camera. This is the Canon G7X Mark II. Let me know. I just picked it up yesterday. I drove like 50 minutes to go pick this camera up. I wanted to make sure I had a good camera for Mustang Week, which is tomorrow, Monday. We're leaving. I cannot wait for that. It's gonna be so fun. If you guys are watching, you have a Mustang or whatever, or if you just want to participate, let me know who's going to Mustang Week. I want to know, and let me know where from. I'm curious. But if you guys are new to this channel, like I said, I'm Chris. I have a 5.0 Mustang. This is it right here. It's iconic silver. It's the premium package. You can't see it because it's dark. Let's see. There we go. It's a little better. It's in the garage. I'm going to film a proper video actually today on it. And I'll let you guys know exactly what I did to it. And I still got to clean it, detail it. I got to get ready. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I will be talking about the car and my detailing process and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, here are the clips of the resonator delete and the lowering springs. Enjoy.
Oh, hold on. Is your screwdriver in the other one yet? No. Put it in there if you can. Okay.
Good?
Yeah, take this out.
You know?
We got it. The next one.
Do you?
Yeah.
Is that enough room for a clamp?
Huh?
You're gonna have enough room for a clamp?
It's only a slide back to here.
I know, but you're gonna have a clamp sliding over here.
You're gonna take this.
Yeah.
Against one.
I'll see this. The back.
Yep.
How do you want them oriented?
I did them.
I did them
like this. Turning to the inside. Get this clear in there. Come on.
Yeah, I need
Mallet.
a block of wood. see I didn't film too much. I took some pictures as well. You can definitely see the before and after with the Resonator deletes. I'm very happy with it. It's a lot more deeper of a sound, a little more raspier, and it gives it more it's just more fun to drive overall. So if you guys are looking for it, I got that Resonator delete. I think I got pretty lucky. I spent $80 on it off Facebook Marketplace, brand new, and I was like, I gotta do it. And overall with the car, it does, the stance is, I'm so happy with it. Eventually I'm gonna put wheels on it. These are stock wheels right now. I'm gonna put some bigger wheels on it, nice rims and everything. And this is just the beginning of the channel on what I'm gonna do to the car. I got so many things I wanna do to it, and I can't really wait to show you guys. Eventually I want to put bags on the car and lower it down a lot, but for right now, those lowering springs will definitely do the job. It's 1.5 inches in the front and about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch in the rear. And like I said, I'm beyond happy with it. But with that being said, I'm gonna end the video up here. I'm not, this is really just about the Resonator delete and the lowering springs. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm gonna really do more of like a vlog and show you guys everything I've done to the car, my detailing processes, and just me getting ready for Mustang Week. It's gonna be more like a vlog theme. So stay tuned. Let me know who's going to Mustang Week. I'm curious. Let me know where you're coming from. I'm curious. And also, do you like the camera? Because I absolutely love it so far. It's a G7X. A lot of people use it. A lot of vloggers use it. I heard they're really good with pictures and stuff. So let me know. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.